the video. Yeah, it's been a while, and I'm here again with the new strategy. We already enjoyed the volatility 75 strategy, in which, if this is your first time seeing this video, you want to go check it out. I'll leave all you need in the description, guys. So this video is a new strategy concerning moving averages and how you can apply them on your main chart and also on the indicator windows to make the most out of them. So stay tuned, because that's what I'll be showing you guys on this video. Alright guys, so just before we get into the main strategy video, I just want to quickly show you guys how to join the small deposit flip group and also the VIP team. So what you do is first subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, and tap on that little arrow button just bottom right of the video playing, and there you're going to see the links to all you would need, and also links to the Telegram channel, the $20 deposit flip group. And there is where you're just gonna tap on the link once. It's gonna redirect you to Telegram. If you don't already have Telegram, it's gonna prompt you to download from your app store or the Play Store. So once you are in the group, you're going to see a pinned messages there. That's where you're going to see the information on how to join my VIP team for just $10, or you can stay in the Telegram group and have very crucial, very nice information being passed around, signals to forex chart analysis, to just basically all you would need to boost your trading career, all for free. Or join the VIP group that's on WhatsApp. It's going to give you minimum of 2 signals a day, steady chart analysis, Zoom meetings every single day. We trading on the VIP team for just $10 a month. So if you're interested, I'll see you there. See you also in the Telegram group. And then now let's continue the video for the strategy. So stick around. So on this video, we're going to be making use of moving averages a lot of the time, because the indicator is so extremely important, like to detect the change of a trend and also how to trade the trend. So but before I go into much details, please like and subscribe if you haven't. I'm back again now. Let's go this community as usual. And yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and show you guys how the strategy works, and after that I'm gonna show you guys the settings, of course. And as usual, you're gonna see more videos on how to flip your account with it, so please pay close attention to how it works. So now how it works, but I already assume you all already give a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because guys, that's the most little thing you can do to for me to just grow this community and make a lot of people be aware of these informations I pass. And the bigger the community, the more ideas we can all share and benefit together. That's what I believe. I want to put out my strategies out there for free, so everyone can make money with it, because I'm also going to show you from my own life trading accounts how you can actually make money with these strategies. I don't just post strategy. I would show you how, if it's really possible to actually be consistent making profits with any of my strategies. So yeah, so thank you for liking and subscribing and joining the Nasking family. Let's dive in straight on how the strategy works. So as you can see here, for instance, now this is boom 1000 index. We're going to make use of just 2 time frames most of the time: the 15-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame is when you want to hold the position for a long time, swinging, and the 5-minute time frame is when you want to just just scalp the market a little bit and you are out, right? So as you can see, self-explanatory on the RSI chart. On the RSI chart, you're going to find 3 moving averages, and on the main chart you're going to find 2 moving averages. So those 2 moving averages on the main chart is act as a confirmation to the buy or sell entry you get with the moving averages on the RSI chart. That's simply just how basically the strategy works, guys. Simple that way. You only use 2 time frame, and the zoom level, yeah, for those who's gonna ask about the zoom level, you just have to zoom out completely on your chart and you go in just once. One. Okay, no, that's wrong. You just zoom out completely and one. Yeah, that's the way you're going to leave it on your chart. So as you can see there now on the RSI chart, you want to make sure that 3 of the moving averages lines are below 20 for your sell confirmation, below 20 for your buy confirmation. In this way, you know for sure the market is exhausted and is about to retrace for a buy. You can also trade it that way for a sell, even on boom and crash, but you know I don't advise trading against spikes on the boom and crash pair. So that's just so you know, I always like to catch spikes most of the time if you're familiar with my trading pattern. So that's basically how it works, and it works for all of them. It works for all the quotes or the indexes you can find on the dev platform. It's going to work most of the time. So just how you take your entry is pretty much easy. You just, you know, like this, for instance, just the way the chart is now, right now. For instance, you want to go in now. What you just need to do is you have to, it's already showing a buy right on the RSI chart, but you don't go in yet. You have to make sure your moving averages, as you can see, you need to make sure this is at the lower low. So you need to make sure this red is already pointing up and the blue is gonna cross it. That way, when you get this cross, when you get any crossing at the lower lows on your main chart, and of course the RSI is already pointing a buy at the 20 level, you take a buy, vice versa for a sell when it's crossing at the higher highs and the moving averages on your RSI is saying a sell at the 80 level, you want to take a sell. But what I do testing this strategy for the past few days now is very effective, of course, but what I do is most times I just go in not to miss so much opportunity. I go in like right now, I just place a buy, so that, you know, most of the time before the moving averages on the main chart is going to cross, you're going to miss some pips in profit. So just in case you don't want to miss, you can just go in straight away with just the moving averages signal on the RSI chart. But you know, if you want to be played safe, if you want multiple confirmations, that's what you do. You make sure the moving averages crosses on the main chart as well. So you pretty much don't need to start checking trends. You don't need to put up price action if you don't know how to use it. Just using the strategy solo is going to make you money most of the time. So I'm always going to advise you to take the confirmation you get on your main chart. So let's just go straight to the settings, right? The part everybody wants. Let's see what we have there. These are the settings: main chart, 2 moving averages, like I said, and on the indicator windows 1 we need to add the RSI first, and then on the RSI charts below we need to add these 3 moving averages. So on the first moving averages on the main chart, period 5, shift 0, you just pretty much put everything the way it is. Yeah, pretty much you don't want to change anything. The second moving average is period 35 and shift 0. These are the main settings on the moving averages on the main chart. So on the indicators windows 1, this is what we have there. Period equals to 5, apply to close, and on the styles 4 pixels, we want to make it bold. So and over here you want to make that color the same with your background. Because I use a black one, I'm using a black color. So if you're using a white background chart, you want to make that color white. And on your levels, pretty much you just, you know, 80 20 as usual. You place your sell, this is your buy signal to alert yourself when to go into the market. And yeah, the style should be 4 pixels and white too, yeah, because I want it to be visible. That's why it's white, guys. If you're using a white background, of course it's going to be black, because if you use the same color as your background, it's gonna be invisible, so you're not gonna see it. So yeah, take note of this, guy. But I'm sure most of you all already are familiar with how these stuffs work. so as you don't get yourself confused. Now on the first moving average indicator, Windows 1 RSI, this is it. 50 shift 0 method, simple, applies to weighted close, as you can see there. The second one too, weighted close 40. We're just making the period 10, should I say 10 points difference. We want it to be so close to each other to do confirmation, because um, um, because on our main charts we have to make sure all three moving averages are below the 20 level before you take your entry. Okay, you want to be very careful about that. So that is why I say we are making the period 50, 40 and 30 all weighted close, and these are just the settings for all you would need. So I'm going to try to illustrate that on our chart. I'll show you a perfect condition in which you should enter. Like right now, a lot of people will place a buy. I'll place a buy too, but you don't have a confirmation on your main chart, so you shouldn't go in yet. So I'll show you a perfect example in which all conditions are met, in which yeah, it's a proper time for you to go. I'll show you in a few seconds. Let me look for it. Oh wow, this strategy is gonna be the bomb. It's gonna be so crazily effective, like the previous V75. So as you can see now, this is the perfect situation in which you're going to place a sell. Zoom out level, you can see I zoom out extremely once. Good. So this is what we are trying to get over there at the higher highs, and also there on the RSI moving averages. I mean the moving average chart below. As you can see, all three of the moving averages are below 80. Just so you know, you can use any color you want. We just want them to be visible, so just use any color that's different from your chart background color. And as you can see also over there, that the what is it called, moving averages on the main chart is about to cross, or we can say it's already crossed. So at this perfect moment, you want to place a sell. So these are the conditions you must wait for. Don't just go in when all moving averages below are above 80 level. You want to make sure the moving averages too on your main chart is crossing for maximum profit possibilities, right? So this is just one of my strategies on this channel. I don't have much strategies on this channel. I think it's about just 5. This is going to be the 6th one, and any other video you see are me showing you how you can actually make money with this strategy. Okay, so if time permits me, I'm going to show you guys a future outcome of this trade. As you can see, I'm not going to take it now because this is not a flip video on my live account, but I'm going to show you what it's like. Did it actually sell, or maybe it bought even more, that's for to result into a loss, or did we get a sell downside? But I'm expecting a sell from here downside to around this region, which is going to be like this to on our chart. Just so you know, you can blend it to price action, of course, but I'm just doing this for those who don't have any idea about price action. So I feel I've said a lot concerning this new strategy on this video. So if this is really helpful to you, you want to give a like, subscribe, share this video to those of your friends that might need the strategy too. And just so you know also, please do test it on your demo account first before you apply them on your real account. Always do that all the time, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll show you guys, if it's possible, I'm going to show you guys what happened, the aftermath about these whole analyses. I'll just put up a screenshot, you know, the way it went down, if it's possible for me to show. But if it isn't, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the flip video, so stay tuned.
Later.